Well, everyone, I was very excited when I got home today because I found out I had a package, a big box, nearly $200 worth of stuff from one of my favorite YouTubers, Gardening with Creekside, with Jeannie. So I decided to come in and unbox these, and it's sad. Let me just show you. Okay. Well, there's two hydrangeas. This is a hydrangea. The leaves are very yellow. The plant soil stinks. It smells musky, rotted, even though the plants are not that moist. Probably half of the limbs are broken. Okay, I got two butterfly bushes. Yeah, this is the same way. The leaves are yellow and brown. They have an awful smell to them. Same thing with this one. The leaves, I've already pulled off a bunch of them and put them back in the box. Yeah, that was broken. I don't know how. I mean, the tops are completely broken. But it doesn't get any better. Just let me look at this. These are all broken. The box doesn't look like it's been dropped upside down or kicked or sat on. So I don't understand why these plants look like this. But look at this. Like, dude, this is terrible. I live in Alabama, okay? South Alabama. This is terrible. I mean, there's no leaves. And what's on here looks like something ate it up. Like it's, I don't know. Same thing with this one. It stinks. The limbs are, look, they're just all broken. Every one of them. They're smashed. Look at that. I'm not, this is, Okay, the hostas don't look too bad. I think they'll live. But these, and these are pitiful. I don't know what to say about these. But yeah. The Rockapulco purple. That doesn't look purple but pink. But I want you to look at the plant. Does that look like that? This is probably the best looking one of all of them. I don't know why it smells like that. But look, this is the last one. This doesn't even look like a real plant. Like, it's terrible. I'm going to reach out to Jenny at Gardening with Creekside, because this is the very first time I've ever ordered from them. I also ordered from Proven Winners directly, and these are all Proven Winners plants, y'all. Every one of them. All Proven Winners. And I paid, these were like $23, $24, $25 a piece. Yeah. I'm not happy about this, y'all. Why does this always happen to me? Like, I order, and I say I'm not going to order online anymore because this happens. But, yeah. I'm going to take these into my sink, and I'm going to cut off all the dead foliage and what to do about these. These are just, I don't know what happened to them. It almost looks like, I'm going to check them out. They might be, it almost looks like bugs eat them up or something. No leaves, no blooms. The plant itself looks terrible. And they smell bad. So, I'm going to get these cleaned up and then I'll come back and show you what they look like. Okay, this is what I got off of the plants. This is rotted, stinking yellow leaves. Yeah. So I'll put my plants over here after I watered everything. The hostas don't look too bad. I've got some really pretty shady areas for them. But those Rockapulco purple winners, proven winners, those are sad. These right here are sad. They look like something chewed them up, or they just got too hot, or I don't know. And they stunk. Like the leaves all fell off, and then they were in the bottom of the pot, and the bottom of the pot was mush. And these were pitiful. Like $23 for this little bitty pot. And they look terrible. There's barely any limbs left on them. These are both hydrangeas. Gardener with Creekside. Incredibles. And then these are the butterfly bush. Yeah, drip on water everywhere. So, yeah. I cut a bunch of limbs off of them too. They still look terrible. They had yellowing leaves. It looked like they had been in the box for a while. So I want to get my paperwork together. And I'm going to see about contacting them about, especially these, because these are terrible. And this isn't the first time I've ordered from Proven Winners. Now, this is not from Proven Winners. This is Gardening with Creekside by Creekside. But they're still Proven Winners plants, and they look terrible. This is probably going to be the last time I order any Proven Winners plants, because they're not proving to be winners. I don't know what to say. Well, alrighty. I hate to be negative on every unboxing, and every unboxing I do is not negative, but I mean, what do y'all think? Let me know what y'all think. I know it's hot and it's summertime, but these also came from the south, so they should have been acclimated to the heat. $200 down the drain. Because I don't think these are going to live. I really don't. Maybe the hostas. Those, Maybe the hydrangeas, but they're pitiful. Yeah, for what I paid, I'm very dissatisfied. So let me go get my paperwork together. See about contacting them about these, because this is just not acceptable. When you pay that much money for Proven Winners product, you expect it to be looking good. Also, when I ordered, and this doesn't have to do with Proven Winners, but lay that right there where I can see what I'm doing. It was supposed to have, when I ordered it, So I got 4 of the double Impatiens Acapulco purples, 2 of the Golden Tiara Hostas, 2 Incredible hydrangeas, and 2 Miss Violet butterfly bushes. Those aren't butterfly bushes. Those are sprigs. Yeah. And they sent me a thing, an email or a text or something today saying, hey, don't forget about your free shipping on your first order. Well, I just made my first order and I didn't get free shipping either. So, Jenny, I hope you make it right. Again, this was from Creekside Nursery. Their YouTube channel is Gardening with Creekside. Thank y'all for coming by. Don't pay me no attention. I'm fixing to go to bed and dream about rotten, smelling plants. I hope y'all have a great day or a great night. And I'll see y'all in the next video. And I'll let you know what happens. God bless.
How you doing?